The market drops through support. Can we still go higher? This is Invest with Jacob. Okay, guys, so the market failed to push higher yesterday and dropped down through support, and now it looks like the C wave lower may be taking shape. The bears were able to drop it down to the bullish trend line, and they're sitting there right now. The question is, can they break through? I'll get into that in just one second, but first, if you're new here, welcome to the show, guys. My name is Jacob Gabbard, and this is Invest with Jacob, where we use Elliott Wave Theory to break down the SP 500 and the NASDAQ. I highly encourage you to hit that subscribe button down below so that you can get our daily S&P updates, our trade setups, and our buy alerts. All right, guys, with the break of support, it does look like we may push lower here, so let's jump into the chart and take a look. Okay, guys, so here we are on the 1-hour futures chart for the S&P 500. And as you can see, they failed to move up and actually pushed down pretty hard today, all the way down to this bullish trend line. With that move down, it does look like this C wave is taking effect, in which case you would have wave 1 down, 2 up, and we would be in wave 3 right now, and would continue to push lower here in the C wave towards this 3640 area. Now, this move down would come in wave 3, 4, and 5 to complete the move. Okay, and in that case, we would look for support here and then a move higher. We do have CPI tomorrow, which is a big catalyst. So it is possible we see a spike down into this area and a reversal before the market even opens, like we did last month's CPI. They spiked it down pretty hard and then had a huge rally off of it. It's also possible they spike down and break through, and then we could see a lower move down, but I don't think that's going to be the case. I do think they can hold support here and will hold support and then start the push higher. So that is our primary path that we're looking at right now, this move down to 3642. However, the bulls do still have some hope. This move up does look like it could be a potential 5-wave leading diagonal. And in that case, this would be wave 1 up. Okay, we'd be completing wave 2 down. And in a diagonal, you do get a lot of sell-offs like this, okay, towards the origination point of the diagonal. And then you would see a wave 3, 4, and 5 higher, okay, to complete this move toward the 4,000 area for a potential wave 1 of C or all of C. We'll just have to see how that plays out a little bit. The structure will matter on that and how long this wave 3 would extend if this is the path that plays out. I still think this C wave, now that we have this move down, is the primary path. However, as I said, if they can hold support and then drive it back higher, all right, then we should start to look for the 4,000 to potentially 4,200 to 4,300 levels. Over on the NASDAQ, we have similar potentials. However, they have different outcomes in the sense that the NASDAQ would actually make a new low if it does break down through support, which is the 1077 level. And if that's the case, we would look for this pattern of an A, B, C to play out, where the NASDAQ heads down to 10,000 to 10,200 for a new low. Okay, and that would be a wave 5, where this high up here would be a wave 4. And the reason it's an ABC down for a wave 5, guys, is we've been tracking a diagonal off the highs, and that's what you would expect to see as the waves be 3-wave movements in a diagonal. However, they also have the same bullish potential as the ES futures, the S&P futures, where they do have the potential that they've built this 5-wave diagonal off of the lows, and then you would have 1, 2, which needs to hold 1077 or mostly above this low, but 1077 is where we'd really like to see it hold. We'd like to see it hold there, and then we'd see the wave 3 up, take out this high, and make a strong move up toward the 11,800 to 12,000 area to complete its wave 1 of C off of this low. Okay, so the two potentials on the NASDAQ are a new low down towards 10,200, or they hold support and break out to the highs up around 11,800 to 12,000. Guys, if you love the information that I put out in these videos and you want real-time market updates from me, you need to check out investwithjacob.com. There's a link down in the description. Go ahead and click that link and it'll take you right over to the website. Once you're there, check out our membership plans area. We have 2 incredible plans, and they both come with a 7-day free trial because I want you to get in there. I want you to make sure you love it, and I want you to become part of my trading team before you ever spend a penny. We have 2 incredible rooms, and they both come with a 7-day free trial, and you can cancel at any time. In our first room, the Invest with Jacob room, you get all of my real-time market updates, all of my buy and sell alerts, as well as all of your Elliott Wave questions answered. We trade the SPY and the QQQ, and we swing trade, which means our trades can last anywhere from a few days to a few months, so we don't trade quite as often as a day trading room does. However, if you are looking for day trading as well as individual stocks, you need to check out PT's Throne Room. In there, you get everything you get in the Invest with Jacob room, as well as individual stocks, day trading, and PT's reduced risk binary method that just crushes the market. He gets you in at a cheap price and gets you big multiples on your money, and it's how he structures the trade that's so unique. Something you really have to see to understand, and that's why we give you that 7-day free trial. He also started a challenge account where you put $4,000 into a small account, showing you how to build a little account into a large retirement or savings account, averaging 3 to 4% gains per week, trading mini ES futures. Guys, we'd love to have you in these rooms so we can make some money together. Key takeaways for today: support needs to hold, preferably this trend line. It can go a little bit lower than that, but they need to hold this support and take out the high. A breakdown of this trend line is likely leading us toward this 3640 level, and from there we should look for support to hold and a reversal. Over on the NASDAQ, potential leading diagonal up. If they can hold that in this wave 2, then we could see 345 up toward the 11,800 to 12,000 area. However, we do have this low looming over here, and they're pressing down into support at the 10,777 area. If they can break through that, then it does look like they could make a new low down to the 10,000 to 10,200 level. Guys, that is the market update for today. I will talk to you tomorrow.